horns. This is Buddy and Charlotte. Charlotte, why are you so distracted? It's Papa.
Boy, they're wagging their tails like crazy, huh? Oh. Fighting and eating. That's Buddy. Buddy.
And that's Charlotte. Did you get one of me with the goats? Okay. Oh, head skate. Here comes Sugar.
There's Mama. How do you lock? I can't lock it like you do. It won't do it for me. I don't know why.
I just put my hand through there.
I know I got my hand through, but it won't push through the hole. Oh, there it goes.
Hungry babies.
You two good babies. I love you guys. Yes, I do. I love you guys. You're sweet babies. It's my babies.
Oh, Buddy won the race today. Sometimes I wonder if it's not the nipple.
Hi, Buddy. Oh, that's Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, sweetie. You think Papa got the milk? Yeah.
Okay, this one is Charlotte's. Yep, and this one is yours. And you gotta get down. Come on. There you go.
That's a good boy, Buddy. You're such a sweetheart. You're sweet, Buddy. Yes, you are. You're sweet, Buddy.
And Charlotte, she's got a sense of humor, I can tell. Don't you, Charlotte? Do you think it's pretty funny to jump all over Mama?
That's a good body, Buddy.
What do you have on your face, buddy? Simon, that's his Mama.
little goat psychology here.
Yeah.
Staffy starting shit with her.
Well, I don't know which is starting with what.
Staffy does. She just starts with her.
Flying cat. Boy, Charlotte, you really took your time on that one today, honey. Oh, there's the cat again.
That's Max.
This is a different cat now. Remember when Sugar grabbed Max's tail and dragged him across?
Yeah,
That was funny.
that was pretty funny.
Oh, all done. You want some more? We'll wait until you're done coughing. Hmm? That's a dog, buddy. That's a dog. Yeah, that's a dog. And he'll play with you. He likes to play. Yeah, he likes to play. You want some more? Yeah, you want some more? No, you're just going to play with that apple. There you go. That's a big boy.
Hi, sweetie.
He's like, what you doing? You got some food too? Hmm? You don't want it, do you? Why don't you want it?
You got enough?
I don't know, but I need to clip their nails too. Unbelievable. Go on, pee-pee. Go on, pee-pee. Here's a lover, buddy. That's my baby boy. That's my baby boy. Let me get him and have you take my picture with him.